The key material of photovoltaic modules is the encapsulation film, which are the key factors that directly determine the quality and life of photovoltaic modules. At present, the types of encapsulation film used are mainly include transparent EVA film, white EVA film, TPO film, POE co-extrusion film, and other encapsulation films. The last relevant data shows that year of 2020, the encapsulate materials of components will be transparent, and EVA film will account for about 56% of the market share. Now most of the photovoltaic module manufacturers, they're paying much more attention to the role of encapsulation materials in improving power generation efficiency. The multi-layer extruded films on POE technology is gradually improving, stabilizing. Due to the POE film has low water permeability, greatly improving the weather resistance of the module. In addition, the use of double-sided cells and double glass modules has further promoted the increase in the market share of multi-layer process films. At present, more than 130 countries have successively announced carbon neutrality goals and the background of the rapid growth of global photovoltaic installations. Because Europe and US urgently need energy transformation, the huge demand for photovoltaic films from US and EU countries will also increase. The China leader of encapsulation film suppliers, they have EVA film has a global market share of over 70%. POE encapsulation film will become the main material with the second largest market share. Jobbetter Extrusion Machinery has more than 20 years of professional machine production experience. Jobbetter have multiple of patented machine certificates, and many professional engineers have succeeded to help customers to increase production profit. Contact us now to get your free professional custom-made of EVA, POE, EPE production line details. Don't forget, like us.